Schools like Greater Atlanta Christian are always asking what should be next, what should be right for students, not just what we as adults are comfortable with.
We're a faith-based school, but also a nonprofit as well. And so every dollar that we spend, it's critical that we spend it, in the right way.
My first experience with DIRTT was when we renovated the junior high and senior high classroom buildings. They were concrete block, factory-style classrooms, and we wanted to transform them into what we dubbed the 21st century classroom or learning studio.
Our goal was to meet a delivery date of starting at the end of May when school got out and have it ready for the first week of August when students returned. So it was a pretty aggressive schedule. Conventional construction, there's no way that we could have achieved that.
I said, man, we'll see, and thinking how much y'all had to do as opposed to what we were doing, I thought, that's going to be a trick.
And honestly, going into it, I was skeptical.
So to take older facilities forward meant that things had to be done in a very quick pace. And so the advantage of working with something like DIRTT has allowed us to do this: plan, draw, design, and build a calendar where it could be done very rapidly.
Wow, that's all I could say.
So we were able to do that project, 70,000 square feet and just over $7.5 million, and that included construction, design, and FF&E. So to be able to pull that off at roughly $100 a square foot was phenomenal.
When our students and our faculty and our parents came back after that summer, they were blown away with what they saw. The space is radically transformed. It's hard to imagine you're walking down the same hall as you're in the same classrooms. It's that different.
I think we were just having a casual conversation about, hey, here's another project we're working on and we're trying to figure this out. And DIRTT had said, hey, we've got a timber product that we're doing now that might be a great fit for that.
The challenge was to take an existing 40-year-old church building and transform it into a performing arts center.
We needed a place that would call our students up to the finest in arts.
We wanted the building to have a feel that it was built 200 years ago.
And I thought, wait a minute, we have the bones of that building. It's plain vanilla now, but it could be taken forward in beautiful ways with good thinking.
We weren't going to be able to hang or support these trusses from the existing structure. And we very much wanted the aesthetic of the heavy timber, the authenticity of it.
So when we heard that DIRTT had a timber division and would be participating in the project, it kind of gave us hope that we would actually capture the feel that the architect was looking for.
We tore everything out of here and basically down to shell. There was nothing in here. It was concrete floor, cold, nasty. And then the wood started coming in, it started to get warmer.
So just the engineering behind it from the design standpoint, but also the fabrication and then how it's all installed is just phenomenal.
About a month ago, we dedicated the space. And then at one point, the curtain opened, and behind the curtain was our orchestra and choir, and there was a gasp that came across the crowd.
It's this incredible blend of modern technology and old world craftsmanship.
Believe it or not, aesthetics matter as much to kids as they do to us as grown-ups. They are the designers, the dreamers, the shaper of the coming world, and we want them to see how it could be done and their surroundings to pull them up. It invites them into the dialogue about what could be better, so that all of their lives they're thinking about what can we improve, what can we change, how can we take things forward instead of always staying with the status quo.